Runway 27 right, RNAV, runway 27 left approach is in use. Also landing and departing runway 27 center. Use caution numerous birds on and about the airport. Notices to airmen. Runway 1836 closed except for taxi. Taxiway Romeo between the Romeo ramp and runway 9er center closed.
Archer 2326 Victor, 27 right, Romeo to
Archer 2326 Victor, Sanford Ground. Turn right, taxi Bravo Kilo, right side taxiways.
Right, Bravo Kilo on the right side, and we just want to say a special thank you to whoever cut the ATIS. That's the end of the customer.
Can you say that again? I'll put it in speaker.
We want to say a special thank you to whoever cut the ATIS or who was behind the guy cutting the ATIS. Made us laugh for about 10 minutes up in the air. 2326 Victor.
Alright, thanks. My supervisor made it, but I helped out there.
Which part?
Pickle.